Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign, this is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces? The Hierophant, Justice and the Fool. Nine of Wands and Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Ace of Cups. There is new love is coming in your way Pisces if you are single. So if you are already in relationship, maybe someone is coming back if you are in separation. Okay. For some you are doing self-love, you are loving yourself, you are investing energy on yourself. Okay, let's see your reading. But love is coming. So recent power, the Hierophant, Justice and the Fool. So Justice and Hierophant. I think there are some commitment issues what I'm getting here in recent past. There is no commitment between you and your person. That's why there is no contact situation was happened because Justice cut off person from your life and the Fool. But you are going with the flow. You are living in the present moment and you are enjoying each and every moment. Even though you have pain for your separation, but you are living in the present moment and that is very good Pisces. So then Nine of Wands, Ten of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. You are working towards your career and goals, Ten of Pentacles, and your money is very good. You are working hard towards your goals and Nine of Wands, but you are thinking about someone a lot and Ace of Swords. There is no clarity in your situation right now, but it is coming because Ace of Swords is truth coming out and clarity and communication. And near future, Three of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles and Five of Cups. Yeah, someone is coming, someone really want to work on this relationship and this person really want partnership with you, collaboration with you. And Seven of Pentacles, it's you also invested in this connection and waiting your person to come back. Here Five of Cups. Yeah, maybe you're in separation with your person, still you are waiting for your person to come back. Yeah, but someone is approaching you to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles. If you are in separation, it could be your past person. For some, a new person is also coming in your life. So take what resonate and leave the rest because everyone's situation is different from another. It is general. Okay. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Yeah, High Priestess is here. Listening to inner self, inner voice. Your person maybe right now spiritual awakening. Justice. Lot of cards, but I am not taking all. One card is fell. Okay. Sorry guys, one card fell. This is Capricorn, the Devil. Maybe you there is some obsession between both of you. You both are obsessed with each other for some. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Justice, Ten of Wands, Six of Cups. Yeah, they want second chance, they want reconciliation with you. Right now your person also feeling overburdened, Ten of Wands energy, maybe their family responsibilities, maybe work pressure. It could be any reason. Your person also feeling overburdened, but they feeling strong soulmate connection and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups is here. And Justice, two times Justice. I am seeing second chances in this connection. Maybe you want second chance with your person, or your person wants second chance with you, but it is here your person still wants second chance with you. And again the Hermit under the deck. The person involved in this connection could be Virgo, and maybe your person right now isolated them from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Pisces. Your person near future actions. Knight of Wands, the Lovers, Gemini, the person involved in this again, the Hermit under the deck, and Five of Pentacles. Yeah, there is separation between both of you guys, and maybe for some there is some cold shouldering between both of you that causing resistance in this connection. Yeah, there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. Your person still attracted to you, and the Lovers and the Hermit. Yeah, I think action cards, there is passion involved in this connection, but right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. Still your person have strong emotions for you. They're very passionate about you, but I am not seeing any active action towards you right now because your person undergoing awakening process. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on in near future and outcome. But they will make action towards you when the spiritual awakening is completed. Ace of Cups. Yeah, they have emotions for you. Yeah, they still want rebirth in this connection, and they are going to make some major decision regarding this relationship. Judgment is there. Queen of Pentacles, Pisces, it's your reading and it's your card. And Nine of Pentacles, it's you. Maybe you are right now concentrating on your career and you are achieving financial abundance and financial stability. Yeah. And the Moon, there are still some illusions, some misunderstandings between both of you. First, those have to resolve, then this relationship is going to be next level. Yeah, there are some obstacles in this connection, but still I am seeing, I want one more card. Yeah, waiting. I think in divine timing, everything will be, yeah, one person is still holding back in this connection right now. It could be you or your person. I think some decision making plays key role in this connection. But your person have so much love for you, Pisces, and they are still very attracted to you. But everything will be going in divine timing, what I'm getting here. Yeah. But they really want to work on this relationship because Three of Pentacles is here and Six of Cups is there and Justice. Yeah, they want second chances, but in divine timing, what I'm getting here. Yeah, they want still rebirth in this connection. But some issues. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. Yeah, some obsession. Maybe one person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. You both are obsessed. This could be karmic connection also. Queen of Cups, Pisces, you have strong emotions for your person. Communication, Page of Wands. One person is younger than the other person. And Judgment. Again, two times Judgment. I think decision making plays key role in this connection, guys. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Star, they're still hoping new beginnings with you. Your person is also financially abundant. Yeah, waiting game, everything in divine timing. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, your person also very caring and giving person. Right now, your person also concentrating on their career. So what I'm saying, getting message from here, everything in divine timing. Yeah, you both have love for each other. You both are sad for each other, but everything in divine timing. Message from the Moon Oracle deck. Slow, show the world the real you. So if you have any emotions but you are not expressing, but it is the time to express your feelings to the world. At least to your loved ones, to your friend circles, because show the world the real you. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.